These top two display icons are used to turn off and turn on outline effect. Turn on and turn off shading display. You can use this setting to spot shading artifact easier. At the bottom you can find some buttons that are pretty self-explanatory. They are there so you can access them quickly. In object mode it allows you to access basic shading operation like auto smooth, smooth, flat, and reset shading. While in edit mode, apart from smooth and flat, it also gave you access to mark or unmark sharp edges. Now that we're done with the common operation, it's time to jump into the main function of this add-ons. First, let's add the weighted normal to this object using the weighted normal plus button. This operation has several options. They're all pretty obvious what it means, so I'm not going to explain them each of them. Except one. The bevel method. Let's add a bevel and check the bevel method. Did you notice how the modifier removed the weighted normal modifier? When you check the bevel method, it will use the hardened normal from the bevel modifier instead of weighted normal modifier. Now that's done. Let's transform the normal from this source object. There are two ways on how to specify the source object. One is by selection. Another is by using the picker. Let's use the picker this time. As for isolating the area for the transfer operation, there are two ways, selection-based and vertex-based. We'll use the former as this one is quicker. Do you see the arrow icon here? It is used to select vertices based on angle. We'll use this to isolate the area we want to transfer to. After that's done, let's transfer the normal using this button here. Notice how the shading artifact is gone now. Do you see the shading artifact that was caused by vertex pinching here? Let's fix this using the flatten normal operation. It will flatten the normal and weld vertices at the same time. Can you see the difference? This add-ons can also be used to blend in objects quickly. Let me show you how. We're going to blend this object here to this object. First, we select the vertices we want to blend in. Select the source object in object mode. Then reselect the object we want to blend in to make it active. We'll use selection based for the object source. Hit transfer data normal. Now the object has a continuous normal. Can you see how easy it is?